Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Python DevOps use cases. In the modern tech landscape, Python has evolved from just a scripting language to a cornerstone of DevOps and infrastructure automation. We are going to explore how it powers CI/CD pipelines, manages cloud infrastructure, and simplifies automation. Before diving into Python specifics, let's clarify what DevOps actually is. It is the practice of combining software development and IT operations to shorten the development lifecycle. The goal is continuous delivery and high software quality. Key concepts include collaboration, automation, and infrastructure as code, all of which rely heavily on efficient tooling. So, why is Python the preferred choice for many DevOps engineers? First, its readability is unmatched. Python reads almost like English, making scripts easy to maintain compared to complex shell scripts. Second, it has a massive ecosystem of libraries for everything from Docker to Oz. And third, it is cross-platform, meaning your scripts run seamlessly on Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. One of the most common use cases is replacing traditional Bash or PowerShell scripts. Python offers robust error handling and complex logic capabilities that shell scripts often lack. You can easily automate system maintenance tasks like backups, log rotation, and file cleanups. It is also excellent for parsing data formats like JSON and YAML, which are everywhere in configuration management. Python plays a huge role in continuous integration and continuous deployment. In the build and test phase, tools like PyTest and Tox automate testing. For pipeline logic, complex workflows in Jenkins or GitLab CI are often scripted in Python. Finally, deployment tools like Fabric and Ansible use Python to push code safely to production environments. Infrastructure as code allows you to provision and manage infrastructure through code rather than manual processes. Ansible, a leading configuration management tool, is written in Python. Newer tools like Pulumi allow you to define cloud resources using actual Python code, giving you the power of loops, functions, and classes to manage your infrastructure. When it comes to the cloud, Python is king. Osbodo 3 is the standard SDK for managing Amazon Web Services programmatically. Similarly, Azure and Google Cloud provide excellent Python client libraries. These tools allow you to auto-scale instances, manage storage, and automate serverless functions without ever touching the web console. Effective DevOps requires robust monitoring. Python integrates perfectly with the Elk stack for shipping and parsing logs. You can also use the Prometheus client library to expose custom metrics from your applications. Additionally, simple Python scripts can perform health checks on your services and trigger alerts via Slack or email when things go wrong. To wrap up, Python is effectively the glue that holds the DevOps world together. From writing automation scripts and building CI/CD pipelines to managing cloud infrastructure and monitoring systems, its versatility makes it an essential skill for any DevOps engineer in 2026. Start integrating Python into your workflows today to boost efficiency and reliability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.